Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making this quick and fast akara recipe with unpeeled beans. I choose to use unpeeled beans in this video because sometimes most of all we want to eat akara, we're thinking of the stress of peeling it, but you know, this is it. This is this recipe. I'll be using this along with onions, bell pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. That's atarudo. So we start by blending our beans. This beans has been soaked for at least 2 hours, so it's really soft. And then that's after washing the beans. And then I'm blending it with Scotch bonnet, bell pepper and these onions. I'll be blending it not into smooth paste. It will be coarsely blended because I just like my akara not to be too smooth. Some do like it to be smooth. Maybe you can just tell me in the comment box, how do you like your own akara? Oil ready. I'm using this rapeseed oil, which is a gift from Mommy Ogutayo. Thank you for giving me this nice rapeseed oil. So now I'll be adding my beans batter into the hot oil gradually. And then I'll deep fry this. And occasionally I keep turning it until this bean cake is golden brown on all sides. You know, akara is one famous street food in Nigeria and even in Ghana, and most people like to take their akara with pap. And then someone like me, I love to take mine with a gari. You know, I soak the gari in water and I enjoy every bite of this akara with it. But in this video, I'm using pap to step my own akara down. You could tell me in the comment box, what do you like to take your akara with? And when do you normally love to eat akara? For me, I eat my akara any day, but akara is popularly known to be eaten on weekends in Nigeria. Thank you for watching this my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and please like our videos. Please make comments. If you have any criticism, please feel free to criticize too. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.